Okay, TIVlog number 6. This one is, what is it, Bo?
The key elements to building a brand in order of importance.
Right, and I do have notes here just so I make sure I don't mess up my own order, which would be embarrassing.
It's all right.
All right, so what we're talking about here is we get a lot of people that obviously we're a branding agency, so people come to us looking to develop a brand. And they all seem to have ideas on the order of how things should go. So we thought we'd write this one as a way of expressing how we feel it needs to go.
Right.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, makes perfect sense.
Okay, cool. So the first one would be packaging, right? So we were talking earlier, and there's actually another blog I wrote about how you really need to, when you're doing a packaging project, people ask, well, where's the logo work into this? And to me, the logo has to be developed in conjunction with the packaging, especially when you're talking about a consumer good, or a wine, or some food or anything like that. It has to work on the packaging above and beyond all. So that we can edit that out.
Yeah,
right?
totally.
Above and beyond all. So packaging is number one, and that can be, again, food. It can be wine, but it also could be, let's see, what were the other examples I wrote about?
You do anything that comes off the shelf, right?
Yeah. Or if you're talking about a service, then you can talk about a package in a more kind of hypothetical way, right? So like the way we do what we're doing. You're looking at me like I'm crazy, so I'm going to say he didn't read this blog. Anyways.
Yes, I read it.
So then the second one would be your logo. Again, if you start with packaging, you can just pull that off of your packaging, which for the most part works just fine. Sometimes you have to tweak it to make it work and be a little bit more refined because it works well on the packaging, but typically that's what it is. So that would be number 2. You go into your logo. Beyond the packaging and the logo, which a lot of people would probably consider that a brand, we work on a lot of additional kind of beyond the logo branding stuff.
Right. So you can get into all kinds of things there. You can get into brand voice, colors, schemes, things of that nature. Sounds, imagery.
Right. We talked about the sound thing. So THX, I think, is the example we kind of landed on. A branded sound.
Right. Netflix. Everyone knows the Netflix sound.
Totally. Wait. Yeah. Yeah.
And then from there, what else do we have? We got a website, you think?
Yeah, so obviously website's an important part of it. Every brand needs a website. The majority of the people that search out a brand or come across a brand, that'll be the first touch point, is they'll go after the website. So nice that we build websites.
Yes, agreed. And kind of hurts my heart a little bit, but the last on your list is a marketing plan. You realize I am the marketing guy in the office, right? So you had to put that.
Well, right, but if you were the branding guy, then it would be different. So if next one we can do is marketing plan in order.
Yeah, it'll make me feel better.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, I mean, and you need a solid brand, otherwise you can't market it, right?
True.
So to me, you really do need to establish that part of it. A lot of people will come to us and say, I need a marketing plan and a brand, and we'll learn a lot from the branding process that'll help drive that marketing plan. So the discover phase will really guide us for the audience, the competition, and that's all stuff that you need to do your fancy little marketing plan, right?
Yes, exactly.
So it actually makes sense.
Yeah, it does. I just had to give you a hard time.
Hey, I would expect nothing less. Anything else to say on this? Hire us. No, call to action here is, go check out, read the blog. I'm sure we skipped something.